tears in front of a commoner is totally unacceptable and can incur the wrath of the king if I bring it to his notice.
Mother, I'm not yet married to Princess Adugo. Yet we have already started settling dispute before my parents. What happens if I eventually get married to her?
And what is that supposed to mean? Are you saying it's a crime for me to protect my husband? Or ask my loving mother-in-law here to help me do that?
Mother, I would like to ask you a question.
Okay.
How many times have your parents settled dispute between you and my father? The earlier we understand that this is not working, the better for all of us. Excuse me.
Amaka, oh, what is the problem? Why are you looking nervous? Is anything the matter?
To be honest, Ndidi, I am not only nervous, but scared. Honestly, I am scared.
Wait. What are you scared of? Were you not the person that said that we should go to the palace?
Yes.
That you want to hand this beautiful gift to the prince. So why are you nervous and scared?
Hi,
Amaka, you can never change. See, let's go to the palace. When we get there, you will hand this over to the prince. He will be so happy.
You think I'm doing the right thing?
Of course, you're doing the right thing. Let's go. When we get there, hey, the way I will be dancing, they will know that we are there. When we go there, I will dance.
Oh no. Yes, my daughter.
Igwe. The get-together is a small one, and the best and the most precise. We shall usher our prince and princess forward to cut the cake, after which we'll all go inside, marry, wine, dine, and celebrate with our gifts to them.
What is happening here? What are you waiting for? Take this rat out of my presence now!
Ogene, do you want to kill us? I have warned you severally not to go to that palace again. Leave the prince and the royal household alone. Iju, they are rich. We are poor. So poor that we cannot even afford 3 square meals. Tell me, why would you go to the palace where the prince was having his birthday party in the presence of the king and the prince's wife to be? I created an ugly sin. You're lucky you're still alive. Because the penalty for such an act is death sentence. Your father and I. Look at you.
Mazi, the king summoned you at the palace.
Okay, with him.
I don't know.
Hey!
Papa Maka,
Are you going with him? Papa Maka, are you going with him?
Mazi.
Imagine the embarrassment because of that wretched dirty girl. My queen, I won't take this shame. I won't!
You have to calm down, my daughter. I will handle the situation, I promise. But please, try and forgive him. He is your husband. And marriage is all about tolerance, forgiveness and understanding. Calm down, okay?
Whosoever that girl is, she will not go unpunished.
She's a nobody. Just a daughter of a wretched village palm wine tapper. Like I told you, I will handle this situation. Just calm down, okay? Leave it for me.
She has touched the tail of a lactating tigress, my queen. Ngadokaya!
Leave that girl for me, okay? Relax. It's okay.
Ogu, Your Majesty.
Obuoja.
Onyezem.
If not for the likeness I have for you, if not for the special likeness I have for you, I would have dealt with your daughter severely for her misconduct. Tell your daughter to stay far away from my son. They are not of the same class. Your daughter should not be an obstacle for my son's forthcoming marriage. But if she dares me and wants to try, I promise you she will never live to see the next sunshine. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my king. My king, I sincerely apologize for my daughter's misconduct. Have mercy on me and my entire family. We are sorry.
Obuoja, I would rather advise you to take your daughter away from this kingdom. Far away from this kingdom. Else I will banish you from this same kingdom.
My king, take my word for this. You will never see my daughter anywhere around the prince or even the palace.
Leave my presence.
Oh, thank you for your kindness, my king.
My love, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're sorry. I wish I never started this relationship. I wish I saw all this happening. My prince, I am emotionally disturbed. You know what? Please go.
Amaka!
I need to be left alone.
Amaka, what are you doing there? Amaka, I said go inside before I descend on you. Go inside. Let me see you next time with him. Let me see you anywhere around here.
Good day, Nine.
Hold your greeting. Of what importance is this greeting when my daughter here is emotionally and physically bruised just because of you? My prince, with due respect, I do not want to see you anywhere around my daughter or around this house. Please. I don't want to lose my life. Neither do I want to lose my daughter. My prince, stay away from us for the sake of peace. I've gotten enough already in the palace. Please, I don't want more. Please. Go.
I knew it. I just knew it. What has my arrogant and prideful father told you?
Does it matter what he said? Whatever he has said remains the truth. You and my daughter are just like the sky and the earth. You can never be together. You are not of the same class. Please, leave her alone to get on with her life and continue with her future. You are never in the picture. Please, please. Go.
It's okay, Nine. I shall take my leave.
Yes, better. Take your leave. And please, do not come back. Mad no long will be. Okuno actually an abia. Udala so say amuta nwa na api wonu. Amaka. Amaka.
Hey, Irene, you need to see the panel beating being given to her at the palace. Hey, I felt for her. Honestly, I pitied her.
Pity for who? Huh? It serves her right. Why won't she cut her coat according to her size? Look at this girl. Are you the whole prince of this community? Eh? Mama size. She's even lucky they didn't kill her or sentence her to death for obstructing a whole royal feast. If she's so desperate to get a man, she should go for her class. Poor people like Augustus need them.
And what did I just hear you say? Urema, did I just hear you say Augustoni? Are you stupid? Yeah, Alana Wagi. Don't even try it. Don't try it though. Don't even try it. If you mention Augustoni again, yeah, Magora, Kiki stop walking on.
Yeah. Oh, no, welcome you. Be calming down now. So someone cannot joke with you anymore. Huh? Come to think of it, this your obsession with Augustoni will land you into your own trouble one day. What is wrong with all of you? The princess is running after the prince. The prince is running after Chiamaka. You are running after Augustoni like a mad goat. And Augustoni doesn't even have your time. He's running after this same Chiamaka. Is there something about this particular Chiamaka that we don't know? I think she's a witch, or rather, she's an Obanje.
It's very obvious you're trying to insult me. Is it not? So you're trying to say that I am the person running after Augustoni and not Augustoni running after me? It's obvious you've overstayed your welcome. Now leave my house. I said leave my house!
Okay, well, you're not chasing your friend out of your house because of Augustoni. I'm just telling you the truth.
What nonsense truth are you talking about? What truth are you talking about? You're here insulting me and be telling me I am running after Augustoni. This one, that is all you do. Leave my house, oh.
Okay, I'll leave your house. But I advise you to go and check up on your friend. Because, like you described, they beated her very well. To know if she survived the beating. You understand? Anyway, people will be there dragging man, Augustoni, the prince and others. My wedding invitation will soon come out. I go surprise now.
The wedding invitation. Imagine who is talking about wedding invitation. So as you are and somebody is coming to marry you, which boy will marry you? I'm a boko. Leave my house. I can see you've overstayed your welcome. Leave!
Hey!
Get out!
Calm down, hey, I'm leaving. Keep dragging on.
Mama, this is how you go from one place to another. You don't want to gossip. My face is my place, so it's called. I'm an idiot. So this girl say that I'm the person. Me, the Jamaica running after Augustoni, or Augustoni is the one chasing after me. Anyway, let me not say anything. I don't have anything to say to you, but let me see you in my house again. Let me. You see what I'll do. I know, Pam.
Augustoni, good afternoon.
How are you, Ada?
I'm fine, oh. How are you doing?
You see?
Hey. Longest time.
Yes, so my dear.
It's like you went to market.
Yes, you can see. You are good.
Augustoni, you are doing well, oh.
What to do is God, oh.
Try. Augustoni.
Hope you are good.
I'm not fine. Augustoni, I'm not fine at all. I am so worried.
What is it?
I have a friend of mine that is wedding in the city. And I am meant to be one of the ashebis. I don't have shishi to travel to the city. I don't have anything. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
Hi.
Just help me.
Hey, hi.
You know it will not be nice if I disappoint her. Because she has already gotten the ashebi dress for me. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
Okay, how much are we talking about here?
It's 2,500 naira.
Hi, 2,500.
Yes.
2,500. Well, that's it. The business is bad, though, but this your situation is urgent.
I know, Augustoni.
Okay,
you know you're the only one that I can run to. You know that. Okay.
Hi, let me see if I can try. Let me, because of you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you in advance.
Ada, Here is 2.5. I believe it will be able to cover up the transportation fee.
It will cover it. Thank you so much. You have done everything for me. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, eh? Come on.
May God bless you.
Thank you. Okay, then.
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah. Ure, you want to buy something? Ure, what do you want to buy?
I want to buy kai kai.
Oh, kai kai. This one?
No, this one.
Okay, this one.
But
this one.
the concourse.
What do you want now?
Kai kai, that is what I want.
Father, that was callous. Must you attack her father verbally after attacking his daughter emotionally, physically, that she's barely recovering from? Must you? Where is your conscience, Father? Where is your conscience?
Stop barking like a mad dog over nothing, son.
Over nothing? Over nothing? You call that over nothing? Is that what you're saying, Father? Over nothing? You are bruising up a family emotionally, physically, psychologically, and you say it's nothing? It means nothing to you? Father, you really shocked me, you know. You really shocked me.
Whatever that happens to them, you take the blame and not me. I warned you in the past to stay away from that wretched daughter of a wretched palm wine tapper. But no, you were adamant. Look at the show of shame you did on your birthday in front of your guest. My, oh my own guest. Son, what I did was so infinitesimal. I would have done worse things.
As far as I'm concerned, I did nothing wrong. Absolutely nothing. I only appreciated a friend that I hold in high esteem.
You call that embarrassment appreciation? Do you realize that you're the prince of this noble kingdom? A king to be. And you want to rob the reputation that I've been able to build these years because of a commoner? A daughter of a wretched palm wine tapper? Son, I would have done worse things, more than you can imagine.
You see that daughter of a wretched palm wine tapper, as you place it? She means a lot to me. My relationship with her makes me fulfilled, and she's far better off than your arrogant, mannerless Princess Adugo.
Son, like I said, whether you love Princess Adugo or not, she is your wife. The sooner you get that to your brain, the better for you. You should face reality and quit with everything that you have to do with that commoner, that wretched daughter of a wretched palm wine tapper. Have I made myself clear?
Greetings, Mrs. Akonna.
My prince, have been looking everywhere for you. I've been searching for you. I never knew you are here. My prince,
I noticed you've not been eating your meal for the past few days. You and I have been so close. Though I am a common palace cook, you've always confided in me as though I am your elder sister. But this time, you choose to keep your worries to yourself. My prince, remember I've always told you that a problem shared is half solved.
You're very right, Mrs. Akunna. You are indeed more than a friend to me. And your words of wisdom has done a lot for me. But honestly speaking, I want to be left alone so I can reflect.
No, my prince. It can only worsen the situation and torment you more emotionally and physically. My prince, I know it's about the ugly situation that occurred on your birthday. But please, I don't want you to care about what people might think or say. All I know is that you did the right thing.
You think so?
I know so, my prince.
Please, do have a seat.
Let me sit here. Thank you, my prince. My prince, I understand that the force that controls the heart can only be love. No matter what the circumstances are, what you believe in is the truth. My prince, you and Chiamaka are so resolute in the love you believe in, and that love must win.
Wait though, do you mean what you just said to me?
Eh? I told you I caught them red-handed. They were kissing and hugging each other. He gave her plenty money. If we go, I felt like killing that girl.
You mean my own Oga Sonny gave that other girl plenty money? So that girl did not ask question. She did not ask question. She has touched the tail of the tigress, and I will show her that nobody will take my Oga Sonny away from me. Let's go. Let's go now. Where did you go? Wait. Where is the money? Give it to me. What have I done to you people? Give it to me. Now. Which money? What are the money? Which money are you talking about? Give my money. This is my money. This is my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Hey. All this money. You're very wicked. You're very wicked. You're very wicked. Me. So wait. So Ada Ijurese, yeah, you have the mind to go to my Oga Sonny. Oga Sonny? Yes. I don't have anything to do with Oga Sonny now. Why did you get collect money? Liar! Why did you get collect money? What did you tell your friend? You're very wicked. What is that? So you know. Okay now. You know, right?
Beat her very well, oh!
I will show you. Nobody in this village. This one will stand as a warning to everybody in this community. Anybody that tries
They don't understand.
Tries to go to my Oga Sonny will receive the same beating. Go and say, you did it. Said it. Makada. Urena, let's go. Next time.
Husband snatcher.
Let her try it.
She wants to snatch your husband.
I will take her slippers also.
The man you've been suffering for.
And one slippers.
Ha! Next time! If you start you will never go.
Look, Amaka, I am sorry for what happened. You see, this is the reason why I told you. Leave the prince and come to me. Look, you know how much I love you. Why are you doing this to me? Please.
Oga Sonny, please. I am not in the mood for this talk. I am still in pains. We cannot be together. Even if I decide to leave the prince, we cannot be together. My friend is desperate to have you in her life. So please, leave me alone.
Well, if you say so. But look, why don't you just try and give me a chance now, please?
Good day, my princess. You asked for me, my princess. Hope there is no problem.
Not at all. My name is Princess Adugo of Amanze Kingdom. I believe you already know me.
Yes, my princess. A golden fish has no hiding place. I know you, my princess. But I don't know. Hope there is no problem.
Problem?
This one you called me.
Relax. I want you to do something for me.
Okay.
A request, and I'm hoping you will grant it.
If it's what I can do, no problem.
I want you to kill a bitch for me.
Andy!
Hey!
Welcome.
Thank you. Hey, Ami. I'm very, very happy. I can see you're fully recovered.
Not fully, but gradually. At least I'm better now.
So sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry for everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about Mama and Papa?
Okay, my father went to supply palm wine to the Igwe.
Oh.
Then my mother went for her usual trading.
Okay. Yeah, that's very good. Ami, guess what? The prince came to my house.
Are you serious?
Your prince, yes. I was shocked though. I was like, my prince, this is why you're here. He now said that he said I should come and call you. That he's waiting for you at your usual spot. Waiting for you to do your peko.
Wait. You mean my prince is there waiting for me?
I'm telling you. He said he cannot call you because of what happened.
I understand.
So let's go and meet him.
Okay.
We can't keep the prince waiting.
Yes. We'll go immediately because my father will not hear with his ear that I went to see the prince again.
Better. Let's go. Have to He's waiting for you. So where is he? He's here. You see him? I can see him. I know you can't wait.
All right.
Hey! Papa Jesus.
Move. Move.
Welcome, my princess.
Princess. Didi, what are you doing here? Wait. Are you part of this? Ndidi Amaka? Ndidi Amaka, are you part of this? Ndidi!
I said shut up! See who we have here. The wretched dog who thinks she can dine with royalty. Now listen and listen carefully. I want you to torture this dog. No food, no water. She will die with pains.
Princess, please, I don't want to die. You can have the prince. I don't want to die. Ndidi, please help me, beggar.
Please, don't kill her quickly. Do it slowly.
My princess, please, I don't want to die. Please, you can have the prince, please.
Ndidi, please help me, beggar. Beggar for me, you know my only child, please. I don't want to die.
Ndidi, please, don't let me die. Please, I don't want to die.
Don't make noise.
Leave
that to Funwa, madam. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Ogbenye nwere ọnụ n'ụwa ihe ọbụla o mere ọ bụrụ njọ ogbenye fụ ọgaranya n'anya ọ bụrụ arụ.
Where on earth could she have gone, leaving her food unfinished? This is quite unlike her. She had never left this house without telling anyone her whereabouts.
Honestly, I feel all is not well with her. Nanyo, maybe I should go to her friend, Ndidi Amaka. Let me go and inquire about her whereabouts.
I think you're right. Please, hurry to Ndidi Amaka and inquire.
Nego, don't touch.
Onye kpara sita nwekwara ike ịzọ gị ndụ echi. Rapụ nwa ogbenye n'echi dị ime. Ndo. Chineke nọkwa ya.
Ogini, what is chasing you?
I'm looking for my daughter. Afrokwam Chiamaka.
Chiamaka?
Hi.
By this time, Mama.
She has not come home. I was even on my way to your house.
My house? Mama, I've not seen her. I said that when you attacked her.
Okay, CJ.
It's your cooking now, Wagi. Hey, Mama. Maybe we should go and look for her now.
I came from here. In short, can you
I'm very, very tired.
I know.
Hey, we've searched everywhere. But she's nowhere to be seen. Please, let's go home and get some rest. And pray. I believe by tomorrow morning she'll be back.
No, you have tried for me. You can go back. I will continue.
I cannot leave only you to be walking on the road. I will go with you. Let's search some more. Hi.
Let's hold the other one.
Hi.
si adị jide obi gị aka ọ ga-adị mma. Ogbenye nwere ọnụ n'ụwa ihe ọbụla o mere ọ bụrụ njọ ogbenye fụ ọgaranya n'anya ọ bụrụ arụ ọ ga-abụ n'ụwa chọrọ ogbenye ma ncha.
You didn't see her. Hey! Hey! What is... Am I dreaming?
Ọkwa Chukwu kere ọgaranya ya kere ogbenye ọ dịkata njọ taa. Wait, are you
trying to tell me that you left everything you were doing last night to follow Mama Amaka in search of that girl that doesn't want to point her God according to her size? Eh? Hey!
Uri, what are you talking now? Eh? Why are you sounding like this?
Why won't I sound like that?
Eh? But Amaka she's our friend.
She's not my friend.
I did what a friend should do for her friend. That is all I did.
Then what happened? Did you find her eventually? Her fate has caught up with her. I pray she dies so you can have Ogasoni to yourself.
Hi.
Is that not what you want?
I know I want Ogasoni. But Amaka, she's our friend. I can't be alive and watch anything happen to Amaka.
Please stop all this nonsense you're saying.
I just pray, God, please. Anywhere Amaka is, I know you can hear me. Please hear my cry. Anywhere my friend Amaka is, please let her come back safe to us.
Can you please stop all this nonsense? Because all this nonsense.
Uri, I wish you can understand, but it's fine. Amaka, I miss you.
It's been 3 days since our child started missing. We've been looking for her, searched everywhere. We have even gone to the police, but all to no avail. The only set of people left out now is the royal family. We have to meet them. We have to confront them. I need my daughter. I need my child.
Enough, woman. Stop talking. Let me concentrate.
Concentrate on getting. What should be more important to you than your child? Eh? I need that back. You know, never enough for just let you concentrate. What are you concentrating on? Eh? I need my daughter. I need my daughter back. Get the key in our column. I need my daughter back. I need my daughter back.
I have decided to allow peace reign by getting married to Princess Adugo. If I insist on getting married to Chiamaka, my father wouldn't give me his blessings, and so many other things will be jeopardized. I know it is hard to let go, but I guess I don't have a choice.
My prince, that is a good decision you took for the interest of peace. I wish there's something we can do to change all that. Perhaps that is your fate. But have you told Amaka about it?
Not yet. I don't think I have the face to face her. I know everything would definitely be shattered. Her emotions and all.
No, my prince. I think you don't have a choice here. You need to tell her. My prince, it is better she hears it from you than hearing it from an outsider. I think you should call her, talk to her and part ways in peace. Amaka will definitely understand.
You are very correct. I'll do exactly what you've said.
Yes, my prince.
Thanks for the words of encouragement.
Thank you, my prince.
You may go now.
I will be in the kitchen.
Okay.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Uri. Uri. Can you imagine? Amaka's clothes was found at the entrance of their house. Hey, Chineke Biko, no.
Hey.
Who is doing this to my friend? Oga Adrianamba. It will not be well with anybody that wants my friend dead.
Hey.
Hey!
Go to our friend. I may not like her, but I don't wish her dead.
Hey! Oh! One way, Amaka, one way. What do they want from her? Why do they want her dead? Why? And who? Who wants my friend to die? Who? Chineke biko no. Gekwebuti no. Chineke amazati gechirechi. You can hear me. God, don't allow this thing to happen to my friend. Hey!
Maybe she caught another man's attention as usual. And the woman in question could not endure and took her life. Or maybe she took her own life because she knows she cannot have the prince.
Ure, you're very wicked. You're very wicked. You're very, very wicked. Why are you sounding like this? So you want my friend to die?
No. One is down.
Please just close your mouth. If you don't know what to say, just make sure again. God, you will hear me. You will hear my cry.
It's okay
don't allow anything to happen to Amaka.
You're making noise.
Don't allow my enemy to triumph over me. Nothing will happen to my friend. Nothing. Chineke Biko.
She is dead, and nothing will bring her back.
Hey! Abakoye meki obadiri adamba. Obadiri adamba Chineke bineni igwe o. Obadiri adamba o.
It's okay now. What is all this? It's okay because she's dead and there is nothing we can do about it.
Chiamaka. Chiamaka. Who is my daughter?
understand. I'm here to see Chiamaka. Where is she?
I ask you for the last time. Where is my daughter?
Mama, you have to calm down. I don't understand.
Who will calm down? Who will calm down?
Mama, I'm here to see Chiamaka. Where is she?
You want to pretend? Don't even try pretending to me. When am I see? My daughter has been missing for 3 days now. And I know that your family is involved. If you ever film, are you mad?
No. I swear to God, I have no idea of what you're talking about. This can't be true. This can't be true. It's a bloody lie. She can't be dead. I promise you, Mama, I will find her, whether dead or alive. I will find her.
You have to find her alive, not dead. Find her alive.
The father just left here a few minutes ago to inform me of her disappearance, and that is all I know.
Liar! Liar! Don't think you can deceive me with your games. You think by killing an innocent girl will turn my attention to Princess Adugo? You think so? Never.
About. What is going on here?
Tell father to provide the girl he has abducted.
What is it talking about, and which girl?
Don't even pretend to me, mother. Because I'm fully aware that you are also a part of the conspiracy. Now you listen to me. Before sunset, if Amaka is not found, hell will break loose in this palace. And as for my marriage plans with Princess Adugo, consider it terminated. You two are not above the law. You murderer. Murderer.
Have you lost your senses, Sabina? You stand here to accuse me wrongly. Do you realize I'm your father, the king?
The king!
Do you realize that?
The king! The king! My fault! King! My fault! As if I care anymore. I've made my point very clear. Before sunset, if I don't get to see Amaka, trust me,